offer. We believe it's a suspicious and unauthorized charge. Because you have never used any gift card services in the past to your credit card. To allow these charges, press 1. To cancel these charges, press 2. To listen these messages.
Hello?
Hello, I just got a call like there have been two charges in my credit card account. Can you please tell me what exactly they are?
And verify me with the name, please.
Bikram Singh?
Vikram Singh, right?
Bikram Singh, B as in brother.
Bikram Singh. And your postal code, Mr. Singh?
M1L 4P2.
4T2?
P2, P as in Pearson. M1L 4.
P as in Peter?
Yeah, 4P2.
Bear with me. Let me pull up the records.
Okay.
And are you in the Victoria Park Avenue?
Yeah.
So did you make any charges by any chance?
No?
But I can check and see there are two charges which was made on your card today.
Yeah.
$400 online shopping on eBay. And
But I did not do them.
$1,300
Like,
gift card
what can be done now? Like, can you remove them? Do I need to file a police complaint? And what exactly the process is?
Sir, this is a verification call, right? And we are trying to do our best to help you out. So cooperate with us, okay?
Okay.
Now verify me. Apart from you, is there anyone in your friends or your family who can access your information and may have done this charge?
No, I don't think so. I have not shared it with anyone.
Okay. Now just to make sure that you still have the same card with you and you have not lost it, could you
Yeah,
verify me with the first four digit, the beginning four digit?
Yeah, it's 4520.
Correct. And apart from this Visa card from a TD Bank, you do have an Access card as well?
Yeah.
Just check it. Start with 472490.
Yeah.
And do you have any idea when was the last time you have used a debit card from a TD Bank?
Debit card I have used last week when I was at a grocery store to purchase
Okay.
some items, but credit I think more than 15 days, more than 2 weeks have passed and I did not use.
Okay. And do you have any idea what was the closing balance you have seen in the checking with the TD Bank? Any idea?
Somewhere around I think $4,000. I don't remember the exact amount.
Okay. Around 4,000 somewhere, right?
Yeah.
And the branch which you normally go, which is on the Danforth Avenue?
Yeah, Denton Avenue.
Correct. I can check and see that. Now, Mr. Singh, I can also check and see you do online banking, correct?
Yeah.
Now, could you please tell me, did you try to log into your online banking today?
No.
Because the reason I'm asking you this question, today we have found there was a couple of failed login attempts which was made on your online banking. And the IP address which we have located is from Manitoba, from Nova Scotia, and from British Columbia. But you are residing in Scarborough, Ontario, right?
Yes, that's correct.
So there is no possible way you will try to log in from Manitoba or Nova Scotia or British Columbia. You are going ahead and canceling your old debit card. Can you be handy with your old debit card?
Yeah.
Now verify me with the card number, but make sure do not share the expiration date or the number at the back, because we as a TD Bank, we never ask the expiration date on the number at the back, all right? Just verify me with the card number.
4724
Okay.
0901
Okay.
7632 sorry,
Okay.
9876.
9876, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And have you ever shared your card number or your personal information to any unusual website to purchase any orders online?
No, like with debit card, I never do.
And what about the Visa card, sir?
Visa card, it's like I rarely, sometimes I do Amazon shopping, so there I have a profile on Amazon and there I use my Visa card. I'm sorry.
All right. And you told me you have used your Visa card in the grocery store, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Allow me a moment. Because sometimes what happened when you shop online and you share your card information over there, we are suspecting your card information has been compromised through internet.
Okay, but what's the solution for it now? Like, should I first of all, like the card should be blocked, right? Can you block the card so that and issue me a new card with
Correct.
new number?
Yes. Correct. We are issuing a new card with the new numbers. Okay.
Okay.
Just bear with me. Let me pull up some records for you. And you told me you also do online banking, correct?
Yes.
So which device you normally use to go online? It's a laptop, cell phone,
Laptop,
iPad, or
laptop,
desktop?
laptop.
Laptop. And I'm re-verifying your card number once again. It's 4724
Yeah.
0901
Yeah.
7632
Yeah.
9876.
Yeah.
Allow me a moment.
Sure.
Because the number is not matching with the record, sir.
This is number I have. If you tell me your email account, I can email you.
Okay, you told me you still have a laptop, right?
Yeah.
Okay, now what we are going to do, we are going ahead and getting connected with the secure server of the Toronto Dominion with the help of the software. So it would be possible for you to be in front of a laptop. Can you turn it on?
Yeah, it is on.
It is on. And what is make your laptop? It's a Windows or an Apple Mac?
Windows.
Okay, and which browser you normally use? It's a Google Chrome?
Microsoft Edge.
Okay, can you open a Microsoft page, a new tab?
Okay. Yeah, tell me.
Okay, now you can see there's a long bar panel where you type something to search.
Yeah.
Now type over there www dot,
W dot.
no, 3W, sir.
Yeah, yeah.
www
www dot. Yeah.
The letter A as an apple,
Yeah.
N as in Nancy,
Yeah.
Y as in yellow,
Yeah.
D as in David,
Yeah.
E as in Edward,
Yeah.
S as in sugar,
Yeah.
K as in kingdom,
Yeah.
.com.
Okay. What's next?
Yeah, now could you please tell me what you have typed so far? Can you read it to me?
Anydesk.com.
Correct. Now hit the enter key using your keyboard and let me know what you see.
Yeah, I see Anydesk better software. Download now. Start business trial.
Correct. Give a click on download now.
But I don't have download rights in my machine. Can you suggest me something else?
So this is the only way we can connect you with the secure server, okay?
सुन ना यार,
Now, this
सुन ना
is the
यार.
software which
अच्छा मनोरंजन करता है तू. कहाँ से सीखा है सब?
मेरे को पता था भाई. अरे यार तू कार्ड नंबर भी गलत दे रहा है.
नहीं सुन ना एक चीज बता ना. कॉल मत काटना. क्यों करते हो तुम लोग ये सब काम? कोई अच्छा काम क्यों
अरे
नहीं
कॉल में
करते?
नहीं काट रहा भाई.
तो चोरी को क्यों करते हो तुम
यहाँ
लोग?
पे
कोई अच्छा
काम
काम
नहीं
करो ना.
भाई.
काम कैसे नहीं है भाई? इंडिया
करता था
फिफ्थ लार्जेस्ट इकोनॉमी बन गया दुनिया में और तुम बोल रहे हो काम नहीं है. क्या बोल रहे हो यार?
अरे भाई यहाँ पे वो तो सैलरी नहीं देता ना भाई.
सैलरी तो ये तो एक बात बताओ, तुम जो चोरी करते हो तुमको मैंने कैसे ये हजम हो जाता है? तुम ऐसे लोगों को लूट लेते हो जिससे तुम्हारी दुश्मनी नहीं, जिसको तुमने कभी देखा भी नहीं, तो तुमको कैसे ये ओके लगता है भाई? एक बात बताओ.
अरे क्या करूँ भाई, यही काम है.
काम नहीं है भाई, ये चोरी है. इसको बंद करो यार. कभी सोचो तुम अगर पकड़े गए, कभी अरेस्ट हो गए, तुम्हारा क्या होगा? तुम्हारे पेरेंट्स को कैसा लगेगा?
वो तो पता है, वो तो बात है भाई.
तो फिर ये चोरी करे कितना दिन तुम कमाओगे खाओगे? कुछ मेहनत करो यार. ये देखो, ये मत कहो कि काम नहीं है, तुमको शॉर्टकट मारना है, इसलिए तुम ये कर रहे हो.